Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, or good after morning. I'm the Mainly Digger. This video is not about metal detecting at all. Eventually I will get another metal detecting video out there. I just moved into a new house with a large garage. I'm so excited. Studio, my new shop, I'm excited. So that's why it looks like I'm in a garage, because I am in a garage. There's so much larger than my last house, so much more space. Not what this video is about, but the reason why I've been metal detecting is because I got a new house. Sold my old house and bought my new house. It was amazing how it worked out just perfectly in time. It really was, it was meant to be. Anyway, locks. So this bad boy, which is from my old house. I took it off a long time ago and just forgot. I didn't even like locks then. I just took it off and it looked cool. So I kept it. This is an interlocking deadbolt. Interlocking deadbolt. It is also called a gemulous lock or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I call it something else in the video. That's before I did my research and found out there's more than one name. There's multiple names. Anyway, these you can't use a jimmy to unlock them. That's the whole concept, the whole purpose. Why? Because if I can get the right. Why? Because you can't get anything in there there's probably a way to get stuff in there. There's probably a way to do that. It doesn't matter. This video, I'm not picking it. I just wanted to take it apart because I like that. And I have taken it apart and I put it successfully back together. This is kind of loose because there's only one screw. And I get to use, I decided, because it's the only thing I could find at the time, because everything else was packed and I have to unpack it. I'm kind of lazy. I wanted to do this video. But this is one of my favorite little gadgets, my little pocket screwdriver. Looks solid. I've featured it a couple times, I think once or twice, but you press the button, boom, pops out. It has all the screws, and everything you need, but where's the shaft for the screwdriver? So it took me a couple of days to figure it out. Finally it just slides out. These arrows, there's two arrows. Oh, there we go. That's cool, it's great. But you have these two arrows right here, these two buttons. Flip it over, another arrow, and you kind of see these are magnetic. The magnetic, it's magnetic, but it doesn't really hold anything well. Anyway, you shake it and everything falls out. Anyway, not the point. The two arrows, you hold down on those two arrows and then slide that bad boy out. Anyway, all right. And now I'm going to begin my video. I'm going to show you me taking this apart. So technical. It's one screw. But it's just cool. It's just the mechanics of it is just cool. It's simple. The mechanics are simple. And it's pretty, you'll see. This is a jimmy-proof lock. That's what it says on eBay. Also on YouTube and other socials. I don't know what the actual name of it is. This is my new guy. I haven't used in a while. It's not new. It's Father's Day or Christmas. I forgot exactly. But See how the arrows, press or push, and bam. So there is one screw right there, Phillips head, just one screw. A little bit better lighting, one screw for all of this. I think, I don't know, I haven't taken it apart yet, but 2 times, one screw. This came off my old house, actually. I am currently in my new house, my new studio. It's my garage. I'm gonna make it awesome. But look at all that stuff. All those fine pieces that could be lost. Oop. Woo. That's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. All right, this actually just comes out like that, like nothing. I'll do it again. It just comes straight out. But bam. And this is, to me, this is pretty cool because this right here is the turning piece and it moves it. What I noticed though, you just can't really see it, is that it doesn't connect with that, or it doesn't hook over. I don't know if that's a flaw in the system, but if you take this away and move this like that, it goes over and it hooks in. But look, no, it doesn't. I don't know if that's a flaw in the design, if it's supposed to be like that. Does it still work? I will have to play around and figure it out. And the answer is, it still kind of hooks. It does hook. And if you really wanted to, it probably could undo it with a crowbar, but you would need, like, you'd have to put some effort into it. But that is still pretty cool. The next part, I guess like the third part, is this guy here. No idea what it does, no idea what it's for, but if you turn it over, you can see it on the other side. And how it goes back together. It's like this. Slides in there. Slides down there. And you find, hopefully keep the one screw that's in there. My luck, it would like bounce off somewhere else and then screw it back in there. Yes, sir. Nice reason. That's not reason. Oh, I had bent it when I was playing with it. So there's this right here. I bent it because it's kind of weak. It's also strong. Anyway, but bam. Now it doesn't work. Oh. Start smack. Turn it over. Hell yeah. All right, I'm done. Ready to go.